What's up, y'all? We're at it again with another group ride. Today we're hitting up some breweries here in San Diego. The plan is to hit up Belgian Beaver in the North Park area. Have a few, maybe two. Then from there it's a ride up to La Jolla. We're gonna go to over Mount Soledad and down into OB, PB area. We're gonna hit up Kilowatt and a few there, and then finish it off at Border X in Logan. Should be a good ride. Today I'm running the 56 tooth. Once again I changed it, so lost a 65 down to a 56 tooth in the rear, and so far it's good. It's good. It's back to almost like a stock. I can run. I'm not redlining anymore, and yeah, feels good. It's got a shit ton of torque, and it's got that top end, so I'm pretty happy right now. So yeah, it's still pretty fucking torquey. Into second gear, I kind of popped the clutch, and the wheel I don't know how to speak. The wheel spun, so it still has the torque. Pretty bitchin'. It's cold. I didn't bring a jacket. I'm just wearing a hoodie. Fuck me, it's cold. It's like fucking trying to tuck in a little bit here. So we decided to skip Kilowatt and go straight for Border X. Not sure why. I don't really care though. It's fucking cold, so the closer I get to home, the better. So we're going to Border X and chill there. I guess they're having a Santana tribute band, so that's pretty fucking cool. The fuck? People just parked there? Must be nice.